Hello friends, and welcome aboard to the another video of 3ds Max. In this video we are going to learn a very interesting modifier that is known as noise modifier. Okay, how we are going to use it in 3ds Max to make a different models, like if you want some kind of a soil surface, or we want a texture, or like we want the kind of a water surface. Okay, to show we can use this noise modifiers. This is kind of very useful. I'll show you how it is done, then I'll show you some examples that I have made myself by using this function. Okay, we'll go to top view and we'll make it full screen with the Alt+W that I have told you earlier. Okay, first let's go to our simple geometry, go to standard parameters and make a plane. Okay, I'll just drag it around and make a plane. You can see its length segment and width segment are currently set by 60 to 60. You'll have a kind of low segments in the initial, but always try to take more segments. Why? Because it will add more details to your object. As I said earlier, you must have to take more number of segments. Okay, so you can take length segments around 60 and width segments around 60. Now you can go to the modify option, and now there is having a modifier list. Okay, it's a kind of a modifier that we are using. If you click it, there are a bunch of modifiers. There's a long list. Just press N on your keyboard and it will take straight to the noise. Select noise. You can say at this moment of time there is nothing change in the object. If I, let's say, go to perspective view and I zoom out, you can see there's nothing changed. But if I go to this noise command, we are selecting this noise command, and you can see there are a bunch of options here. That is, what kind of strength do you want? Noise means you can see the disturbance in the surface, and the disturbance is only going to happen if you're considering it as a water surface, or you are considering it as a terrain, or if you are considering it as a soil surface. Okay, so we don't have to give strength in X and Y direction because we are having a 2D plane. It can have variation in Z direction only. Okay, let's increase Z in some value 0.075, but you can see there is no difference here. Okay, let me move it up. Okay, so by increasing Z you can see there is no difference. You can see there is an option scale. It's set to 100. This is quite big. You must have to lower it. Just lower it to the let's say anything else to the 1, 2, 3. You can see if I'm going to lower the scale, the surface will have noise. Let's retain it at 4 scale and then increase the Z value. Okay, you can see how this thing is changing. It look like a water surface. Okay, you can also change the color. You can click here and you can give it any material. Okay, so like this. There's some more options here that about the animation. When we learn the animation, this is going to be handy there. There is an option fractal. If I click this, it will ask us for the roughness. Okay, you can increase this thing, it will have a more roughness. What kind of iteration you want? The more iteration, the smoother will be the strength. Okay, you can make it up and down. Okay, if you want to keep it like water, we'll take the blue color and we can play with this Z, and you can do some kind of things with it. Okay, so there are bunch of geometries that you can make with it. The things that we have studied till now, you can combine all those things and make beautiful objects. Okay, let me give you an example that I have made with the help of this noise command, and with the help of boolean and pro boolean, and also with the left command that we have studied in previous example. Let me open it. I'll open it. I won't save it. We are having an option demo noise. If I click it, so as you can see, this is our 3D model of a kitchen setup. And you can see it is having a stove and a cylinder, and there is a kettle, and there is a kind of a water surface. You can say it is boiling in it. If you select this, this is our noise modifier that we have just learned how to draw. If you go on to bottom and you have the animation option, if you check this animate noise and then you hit this play button, you can see that it will look like it's boiling. Okay, so you can use it where the boiling or the flowing of the water, what kind of a disturbance in water is needed. Okay, so try it by yourself. This is my creativity. You can do it by yourself also. Okay, so this was all about the noise modifier. I hope you learned everything. If you have any problem, please do ask me in the comment, and please do like my video and share it, please.